Hello everyone, welcome back. A special thanks to those who have subscribed to my channel. Thank you very much. And those who have given me support by viewing video that I published so far. Thank you. Today I'm going to show you my collection of Tomica Limited Vintage Neo of Mazda RX-7. We have a RX-7 Type RZ, RX-7 Type RS, the regular RX-7 Type R, RX-7 Police Car, and a special commemorative edition of RX-7. So let's take a look. First, we'll take a look at the first one of RX-7 Type R in silver. Beautiful color, and this is silver RX-7 Type R. The next, the one in yellow. Yellow is my favorite color for RX-7, as always. Now we have two here. So next one of RX-7 Type R is in black. I may be wrong, it's not exactly black, it's a bit of a bluish darker tone, which is still very nice. The rear light is actually quite iconic. If you look at the yellow one, I think you can see clearly. And the RX-7 logo. Now we have three. Let me put it here so you can see it. Yeah, there you go. Next is, let's open this one first. This is RX-7 Type RZ, and this is true black, and the rim is different if you compare to this. So you can see the difference in the color and the rim. Other than that, it's not much difference actually, and the spoiler is different. You can see it over the back. Yeah, even the rear light is slightly different. That you can see the stop light and the turn signal light, as opposed to the Type R version. On the front, they look identical anyway. Okay. Now let's take a look at the white Type RS. Type RS in white. Type RS in white. So you have a similar spoiler and the light with like the RZ, different rim, and not much different there. And if I compare with the rim for Type R, it's different. It's 5-spoke, but it's a different type of rim. Nice white, pure white, excellent. And then we have the police car R7. So you have the same rim as this RS, same rim as RS, and the rear spoiler. Different is that this one is police car with the beacons. The same with Mazda logo. This one police car. This Japanese police logo. Really nice detail. Mazda fan will love this because of the details. As always, from Tomica Limited Vintage Neo. And the last one, which in special packaging. Let me open up this. It's not easy to take this thing out actually. RX-7 Type R in red. This is the car. And there you go. The red is actually slightly darker if you see yourself. And I'm not sure what is this thing here. Look like a wiper to me. Anyway, maybe it's a defect. Never mind. So this red. This is the full set of RX-7 from Tomica Limited Vintage Neo. Tell me which one you like the most, which color? Personally, as I said, I love this in yellow, and of course the police car. Let's take a closer look. So there you go, all 7 RX-7 from Tomica Limited Vintage Neo. I hope you like the video so far. So please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and see you soon on my next video review. Thank you very much. See you and bye.